Hello beautiful people, in today's tutorial we're going to be cutting a 6-piece skirt. This is the little mathematics we are going to be doing. Your hip plus 10 inches allowance divided by 6. Since we are cutting in 6 places, then you are going to be dividing by 6. In order to get that, you are going to be folding your fabric like this, the way I did in the video. You're going to fold it exactly like this. After that, you're going to be measuring the down part of your skirt. It depends on your choice. Mine, I'll just be measuring 10 inches. Do you want it to be 9? You want it to be fuller? If you want it to be fuller, you can just make it 11 inches. But mine, I just want a normal full one, which is 10, and it's okay for me. After I've gotten the actual measurement that I needed, I pin it down. Then I'm cutting it out in order for us to be able to see it clearly. After that, I'll be marking my actual skirt length. My chest skirt length is 40 and I added 1 inch sewing allowance to it. Then I'll be marking my skirt length from that down part because I want it to be accurate. I'll be marking it from that down part in order to get my starting point. After I've gotten my starting point, I'll come down by 18.5 for my knee measurement, and I'm going to be measuring 18.5 throughout from my starting point, like so. Just follow the video and you're going to get it. If you want to get an accurate skirt, 6-piece skirt, just fold your fabric like this, then it's going to give you all the shape you want. We've already divided our measurement and it's giving us 4.2 inches. Then I mark that out on my fabric. You know, we've already folded our fabric into two. When we open it, it's going to give us 8.3, but because our fabric is on fold, we are going to divide that 8.3 into 2, which is 4.2 on my tape rule. And I measure that on my fabric. Then I'm going to be slanting my tape rule. If you have a ruler, you can just use your ruler. If you have one, you can use your ruler. After I've used my tape rule, I use my small ruler to hold it firmly in order for it not to be moving around. Then I place my ruler to the extreme end of the down part from my knee line, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to be ruling a slant line like that. After I've gotten that, I'm going to be coming inward at my knee line by half an inch because I want it to be a bit even, and I'm going to be coming inward by half an inch. You might just leave your own like that if you don't want the knee to be tight, because I want mine to have a shape. That is why I did like that. I'm going to cut. I'm going to be cutting the excess fabric down at the down part, which I'm supposed to have done from the beginning. So sorry. And then I use it to cut the main fabric out, and this is it. I just use that as an example so that you can see it clearly. This is one piece, then we are going to be cutting this in 6 places. This is one already, so it's remain 5 pieces. In order to get that, just fold your fabric like this, then place the one you've already cut out on it and make it align with each other. Then cut the exact shape out for the remaining 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is 5 already, so it remains one. The one is the one we are going to be adding our zipper allowance to. Just take one out of the one you've already cut, then place it on your fabric. Place it like so and add your 2-inch allowance for the zipper. You just move your fabric forward a bit. in order to get that zipper allowance. Mine, I added 2 inch from 1.5 for my zipper allowance. You might add 2 if you have excess fabric. And I'm trying to check if everything is correct, if it is accurate. And after I've checked and I see that it is accurate, and I cut it out. Please subscribe to my channel, please. Then that's all for the cutting. We are going to be moving down to the joining. I'm going to be showing you how you are going to join it. Make sure you always notch your work in order not to get confused when you're joining. So we are going to sew the zipper side, then join it with one side, one piece, join it with half seam allowance, take the other piece, join it the same way. We're going to join it like so. Then we're going to be moving to our front part. You will do the same thing with the front part also. So we join it side by side with half seam allowance. This is our front part, and I'm showing you that you're going to be doing it the same way, joining it together. After you are done joining, place it on each other, mark out your waist and your hip measurement. Then by that, you're going to get your skirt. Thank you for watching. Bye.